You ain't going back, boy. Decide before you do it. Yeah. Decide or make last decision for that. So today we're going to be talking about contractions and reductions. All right. So here we got number one right here. I think this is everybody knows this a lot, and because this one is my favorite, that's why I would like to pick it up and mention a little about this. So we actually pronounce ain't with a T sound, and this is like a, yeah, a vowel, a with an N, ain't with T the last, ain't. I ain't. So ain't, this is the short or informal contraction. Yeah, the short form. It may come from be, have, do, did, plus not. All right, so you can take a look at the sentences right here. Anybody got time for that, boy? Yeah. You want to sound cool like American people? Yeah, try these sentences. Anybody got time for that, boy? Like that. Also, you ain't going back, boy. It sounds like you are going to give the one message to anybody, especially your friend. Yeah, you're about to tell your friend, stop doing that way. It's going to be a problem. And the guy got kind of, illegally doing some kind of way, just like that. So you're about to give the sentence just like this. Yeah. You ain't going back, boy. Decide before you do it. Yeah. Decide or make last decision for that. So the phrase again, you ain't going back, boy. You ain't going back. You guys can repeat it. You like it a lot? Comment down below, and I will like it a lot too. Yeah. So the second is about the ama. So you can sound like I'ma do. Take a look right here. So ama equals or the same as I'm going to, or it comes from I'm gonna. So you can use, but again, ama, this is kind of informal construction, mostly would be used in the lyric music somehow. Okay, so take a look at the example. I'm gonna do my job, boy. Don't tell me what to do. I'm gonna do my job, okay? And another one is I'm gonna do it my way, boy. Back off, or don't actually stand in front of me. You actually got no sign. All right, let me do my job. Or I'm gonna do it my way, like that. So this is kind of a little bit rude. You would like to use this one, I think. I do not recommend using this one to many people. You actually think you want to practice your American style of sounding thing kind of natural. You can apply that for yourself, for your English conversation to your friends next time or at home somewhere. But think about it. Think twice, okay? I'm not going to be responsible for what you have done to your friends, probably by using these kind of phrases. All right. And the last one, I'm going to call you later, boy. Like this. I'm going to call you later, man. Yeah, you're going to actually give a call to your friend, but you literally sound some kind of a little bit cool in American style, or maybe in British. You ain't going back, consider before you decide to do that again. You actually do this, all right, you're gonna, you're gonna in charge of that decision, okay? So that's it for the contraction, like two of that. What do you guys think? I like it a lot, so leave your comment down below. Have a good day, bye-bye.